Hi everybody, and welcome back to Learn and Play with Miss Joy. And everyone, this is Princess Rhino. Princess Rhino is always here to help and make us feel comfortable. So today, I just wanted to talk to the parents and let you guys know a little bit more about me. So again, my name is Joyce. I reside in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I have resided here my entire life. So I have been in the child care field for going on 8 years, working in child care centers and owning my own child care center myself. And getting a degree in child care and nannying and night nannies and just working with kids for the longest as I can remember. So my channel is to help kids that are not yet enrolled in school to get them a little head start so they can be ready when they head to Head Start. So I like to go over numbers and letters and colors and emotions and facial expressions, um, small exercises, learning our foods, and it continues. The list is endless. Um, I want to thank you guys for welcoming me into your home, and I hope that you guys continue to watch us learn and grow together, and share us with family and friends and your kids' schools and teachers, your coworkers. Um, and we are happy to be here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us a follow. Our page is the same here on Instagram and YouTube. And don't forget to check the link in the bio for worksheets that you can purchase. And also for our sister YouTube channels, we do have an animated channel and a sounds channel. So yeah, thank you guys again for taking some time to learn about me, and I hope to see you guys often. And can we say see you later, Princess Rhino? Bye. Thank you guys.